Hi guys, welcome to the masterclass on post burns neck contracture. In this topic, we are going to be discussing about the classifications of mentosternal contractures. So that way, classifications are very important theoretically as well as from practical points of view. So let us see the multiple classifications which are available. Mohammad Maqbul came up with a classification of mild, moderate, and severe contractures. These were the three groups, and Mohammad Maqbul et al. Also gave three subgroups, wherein all these major groups were classified into further subgroups. Which so, what is the Osher and Vanderkam classification? They have classified neck contractures into A and B. So what type A and B is? Mild scar band involving less than 1/3 of the front of the neck. So here if you see the scar